to go and watch some TV. Daniel! Mommy, Daniel, Papa, Daniel! I don't want to clean up. Oh, it's already night. Ow. Yeah. Time to do my morning routine. Yummy! Yummy! Oh, I didn't clean up my room. Oh, it's okay. This pencil is the color red. Finish! Magic, magic? Oh, I have an idea. This is the color green. Finish. This is the color brown. Finish. This pencil is the color pink. Finish.
Huh? Wait!
Huh? Wait! Don't go. Please, Please! I just need your help. You teleported me here. And my room was very dirty. I feel too tired to wake up. I feel too tired to clean up my room. Can you please help me? Please? Yay!
Hey, but what is it?
Don't worry. Now, magic, make a portal. Now come in it. I'm coming in it. Thanks, you made my house all clean.
Now I need to get the portal to get back home. I'm going to clean up my room because it's really good.
Yes!
Kids, don't forget to clean up after you're done playing.